Hello children, I once again welcome you for BIC's Karnataka PUC CET show. Now we are discussing examination training package series of Fast PUC 2016 exams. So I was discussing with the previous episode about the concept of hydrocarbons. Now in this episode also I am going to discuss in continuation with the concept of hydrocarbons. Now in today's episode the topic of our discussion is about the important conversions that are being to be learned by the students to face this 2016 board exam of first PUC. Now those important questions I'll be making it into different question patterns, and I'll explain you the equation, the method of conversion, and in case if the statement is being asked, what exact statement, what is the name of the reaction that is expected out of you. First I'll be training you with the conversions from the simple to the very simple things, then we'll take up with the complex reactions. The first simple reaction that we are going to learn is conversion of phenol to benzene. The second one will be to convert benzene to ethyl benzene. Come, let us go to the classroom session, learn it and come back. The first set, I've taken up these two questions. How do you convert phenol to benzene? How do you convert benzene to ethyl benzene? This question can be asked either for 2 marks or 3 marks. If they ask you just simply to write the equation, then it is for 2 marks. If they want you to explain, then this question will be for 3 marks, wherein apart from writing the equation, you are supposed to write the explanation in statement. Now let us see how we can bring about these two conversions. Phenol, this is the structure of phenol. Hydroxybenzene is the IUPAC name of phenol. Phenol is treated with zinc dust, then it undergoes reduction resulting in the formation of benzene. So your equation will be phenol plus Zn gives benzene plus ZnO. What would be the explanation you are supposed to be writing? Phenol when treated with zinc dust, remember this term, zinc dust, it undergoes reduction. So 2 points you are supposed to be writing. Treated with zinc dust undergoes reduction resulting in the formation of benzene. Now let us look into the next question. What is the next question? Benzene to ethyl benzene conversion we are supposed to bring about. This is the structure of benzene. Benzene when treated with ethyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride, it undergoes Friedel-Crafts alkylation resulting in the formation of ethyl benzene. So this is how we will be able to convert benzene to ethyl benzene. I repeat, benzene is treated with ethyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride catalyst. It undergoes Friedel-Crafts alkylation resulting in the formation of ethyl benzene. So along with this, what else you will be getting? You will also be getting HCl. This reaction is an example of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So this is how we bring about these two important conversions. Now we have learned those two conversions of converting phenol to benzene and benzene to ethyl benzene. Keep practicing the name of the reactions and the equations until I meet you in the next episodes of hydrocarbons. Thank you.